In this video, we're going to go through some stocks with huge potential for you to either watch or actually buy in 2021. Just a quick disclaimer before we begin. I am not a financial advisor and this video is not financial advice. So please make sure to seek professional advice if you do need that. Now, before we get into the video, a quick intro to myself. My name is Jag. I post all kind of videos on the stock market and investing. So if you want to see that type of content, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. With that being quickly said, let's get straight into the video. Now, the first company we're looking at is Reckitt Benckiser Group. I hope I said that correctly. But this company is right in the center of the hygiene boom. Guys, we know that the current environment isn't going to go away quite quickly. We also know that if it does go away quite quickly, there are businesses and people, individuals, that are going to be more cautious of their hygiene and their general health. This group has a very, very large portfolio of brands which features the likes of Dettol and Gaviscon, to name a few. So these are brands which are in the medical space and in the hygiene space. The company is currently priced at around £62. And if we dive into the company's details, over the last year, we saw that there was a lot of insider purchasing going on. Guys, this is where executives of the company purchase their own stock because they feel it is undervalued in contrast to their own foresight of the actual company. According to UK laws, they have to publish every time they buy or sell stock. Now, the biggest insider purchase that was made is actually by the CEO of the company itself, who bought just under £1 million worth of shares. And he bought it at £58 a share. This means that he's quite optimistic about the company's growth going forward. Moreover, there's more individuals that were actually buying shares in this company in the last 12 months rather than selling. Again, fitting into the same narrative. The firm itself gives a strong dividend of 2.78% and are forecasted to receive a 14% earnings growth in the next year. Also, analysis shows that it's quite a stable stock, with it being less volatile than 75% of other UK stocks within the last 3 months. The next company we have is Clipper Logistics. This firm specializes in the delivery space, and the clients of this firm include retailers who sell fashion related items and other high value goods. There was a previous attempted takeover of the firm in 2019 by investment fund Sun Capital, but it didn't come into effect, with both parties not agreeing on terms. Guys, this logistics company was given a huge contract by the NHS for the delivery of PPE or personal protective equipment to medical facilities. Moreover, just a couple days ago, it won a contract to provide returns and fulfillment services for online high-value fashion brand Farfetch. As you know, Farfetch is a luxury online fashion retailer, so thus presenting a very, very good lucrative opportunity for Clipper Logistics. Guys, with the advancement of online retail and just online shopping, I believe Clipper is in a very good space at the moment, with strong long-term prospects for growth. So it's definitely one to watch out for in the near future. Next, we have a company I've been following for a while, and it's called S4 Capital. No, it's not an asset management company. Rather, this company is in advertising. This company provides advertising services for many, many businesses across many sectors. And now you would expect that because of what's happened last year in 2020, that their revenue may have shrunk because there's less marketing budget to spend on such services. So in effect, S4 Capital and other advertising services may receive less revenue growth. But it's not been the case with S4 Capital, as S4 Capital received 73% revenue growth across the last year and are even forecasted to grow 39% this year by Simply Wall Street. It's actually not been on the stock exchange that long. It's actually amassed a growth of 378% across the last 5 years. Now, what makes this company one to look out for, to say the least? Because advertising companies are not that interesting and are not that new, and to be honest, they don't really have a lot of IP when it comes to, protecting their services. Well, at the start of the year, it kicked off with 2 acquisitions. Not one, but 2. They bought 2 companies, and these companies were in a similar space as S4 Capital. Now, these acquisitions are obviously quite expensive, but despite purchasing these companies the group states they will still have significant cash net balances, which shows an increase in business and a good economic outlook, which is why I think this firm is definitely one to watch out for, as it has huge growth potential in the going future. Guys, a quick reminder before we hop on to the next one, make sure to smash that like button if you're enjoying this video so far. Now with the next stock. The stock is listed on the London Stock Exchange, but it actually operates in Africa. And it is at the centre of Africa's 5G revolution. That is Airtel Africa. This company provides telecoms and mobile money services to 14 countries in Africa. Now, as you know, Africa doesn't really have that many bank accounts in terms of branches. So a lot of transactions, a lot of banking is actually done on mobile. So this is, again, presenting a huge potential for the company. The current trading price is actually 79% of Simply Wall Street's estimate of its actual value, and has pretty good return on capital employed when analysis has been done in the past. With the infrastructure play combined in a growing market, it presents a very good opportunity. The next stock on our list is Europe's #1 defense contractor, and it is the UK's answer to America's Lockheed Martin, and that is of course BAE Systems. For those that don't know, this company provides defense products and services to many countries. Right off the bat, a solid thing about this stock is that it provides a very good and stable dividend, which is 4.84%. And this dividend payment is actually been increasing for the last 10 years. So again, when a company keeps increasing its dividends, it's less likely to drop it tomorrow, because a lot of shareholders are actually invested in the company because of its dividend payment. So they don't really want to upset their shareholders. If they could afford to keep paying it, they most likely will keep increasing the dividend payment. Now this company is considered 25% undervalued by Simply Wall Street. BAE Systems has recently got a £2.4 billion contract with the UK government, MOD to be specific, the Ministry of Defence, and it's a contract to equip armed forces. A £2.4 billion contract is not actually bad for a company valued at just over 15 billion in terms of its market capitalization. The stock has taken a dive this year, which may present a buying opportunity for value investors, which is why it's on the list. Guys, products and services that BAE provide are being used by different countries across the globe. I strongly doubt that this company is going to go anywhere in the near or the long term future, because a lot of countries actually rely on the systems and services that BAE provides. Now the next stock we're going to be looking at is YouGov. It's not a government company. YouGov is a multinational data research and analytics company. They provide their services to media and companies who are looking to use data analytics and data science to actually understand their customer better and to therefore increase their sales. The company's revenue has been significantly increasing across the last 4 years, as it's in a very good position to meet the world's demand for reliable data services. It's been killing it with last year with 68% year-to-date returns, with good prospects as the company is in a growing industry with huge demands from the private and the public sector, with governments also requiring a need for big data. With that said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Honestly guys, it really helps out the channel when you like the video. Be sure to hit the bell notification when you're subscribing so you don't miss out on any future content. And if you're interested, be sure to hit up my Instagram and TikTok for more bonus content. And I'll see you in the next video.